This is the quick and easy way to make a white chocolate mocha at home. Start with great white chocolate. I love these ones from Costco. Throw a handful of them in there, throw one more, live a little, throw it in the cup. Pour your espresso directly onto the white chocolate. We need to melt this stuff. Then stir vigorously until it is all kind of one solution. Now we're gonna steam our milk, steam perfect latte milk, and go ahead and give that a pour. Now, sometimes the white chocolate kind of will give an oily top to the coffee, so don't worry too much if the latte art looks a little wonky. I promise you, it's gonna taste absolutely delicious.